I'm Ted Clayton with Yaskawa America Drives Group, and I'm going to provide a tutorial of how to connect a Yaskawa drive to a Rockwell PLC using the Ethernet module. So let's get started. First thing we want to do in Studio 5000 is create a new module for the network. We're going to use a generic Ethernet module. And we're going to give it the name GA500. Next, we set the COM format to integer data and assign the IP address. 168.120. Next, we're going to use a basic assembly of 7121, which gives us forward run, reverse run, fault status, and the ability to change the frequency reference. Configuration is 1. And next, we're going to relax the packet interval scan time to 100 milliseconds. And next, we're going to go online, and provided there are no warnings or errors, we will be good to go. Going to download the configuration and just confirm we have no errors or warnings. Let's take a look. Download complete with no errors or warnings. That's what it takes. So the next time you need to put a Yaskawa drive on a Rockwell PLC network using Ethernet modules, this is the set of instructions to follow. Simple as that.